Skin problems. Skin problems will normally take a little longer to recover, and you need to blow between 60 to 90 minutes per session. First blow the entire back, followed by the lung area, then blow on the skin problem areas. Please be reminded that drinking the energized or charged water plays a big part in the healing process and should be consumed on a daily basis. You need to understand why you have skin problems. The main reason being that the body is unable to remove toxins and unwanted waste through the lymphatic system in the body. So, you need to activate the lymph nodes by blowing on them, as explained above. The lymph nodes help with the lymphatic system, which helps the body remove toxins, wastes and unwanted materials, and by consuming the energized water, it will enable this to happen faster. By blowing on the lymphatic nodes, the body will definitely get healthier, and healing and recovery will be hastened. This image shows a person who has recovered from skin problems after using the blower and drinking the energized water. The next image shows a male who has recovered from serious skin issues just by using the terahertz blower. Can you imagine how grateful both these people are feeling now that they are on the road to recovery? Another happy customer who is proudly showing off her healthy skin after having used the blower and recovered from her pimple-covered face. A word of caution for people with pimples who use the terahertz device. Initially, you might experience some healing crisis in the form of more pimples flaring up on your face. Do not worry, as this shows that the blower and the energized water is working by flushing out toxins and will clear slowly. Also, while the skin is clearing up, please do not pinch your pimples, as it will take longer to clear the skin of the pinched marks. Gout. People with gout are finding relief after using the iTeraCare blower. You can start the therapy by blowing on both the palms and soles for 10 minutes. Next, blow the entire back, as they are affecting all the organs, which are interlinked. While blowing the back of the body, concentrate on the spleen, stomach, liver, gallbladder and kidney for at least 25 minutes, then continue blowing directly on the affected area. If you do not have the time, then proceed to blow on the affected areas, as it will also work, but slowly. Always look to your convenience, and do not force the blower on you. Obesity, weight loss and water retention. Many testimonies are coming in from people who are amazed that a simple blower can help them lose weight and water retention in the body. How is this possible, you may ask? The simple explanation lies with the quality of water that we are drinking. In order to be healthy, we need water in the cells of our body. Unfortunately, when that does not happen, our cells do not get activated to play their important role of removing water retention in the body. If you visit your doctor with water retention problems, you might be advised to restrict your water consumption. But by restricting the amount of water in the body, the hormones will not be able to send messages to remove the excess water. For example, the hypothalamus might instruct the kidneys to remove excess water, but the message will not go through because of lack of water in your system. How do you overcome this vicious cycle? Simple, by drinking the iTeraCare energized water. This is because charged water will energize the cells to be activated to remove the water retention in the body. As the water retention is slowly being cleared, you can increase your energized water consumption and help the hormones to work better, leading to a healthy body. This image clearly shows an obese lady who has lost weight and looking pretty and confident of her new figure within a span of only 2 months. The next image shows an overweight gentleman who lost 25 kilograms using the iTeraCare blower. How cool is that for people looking to lose weight naturally? The next image shows a person who recovered from cellulite. Cellulite is a persistent subcutaneous fat causing dimpling of the skin, especially on women's hips and thighs. Who would have thought that you could shrink fat cellulite by just blowing terahertz energy? Truly amazing. Diabetes. People with diabetes are advised to use the iTeraCare terahertz device, as shown on the diagram. Start by blowing on the palms, soles, arms and legs. If you do not have time, then you can go straight to the pancreas, which needs more blowing. A reminder to drink a lot of the energized water, as it will help you in the recovery process. For people suffering from diabetes, it will take at least 6 to 12 months to see some health improvements. However, rest assured that the terahertz blower will eventually help to regulate your blood sugar levels. Kidney. People who are going for dialysis have said that the iTeraCare terahertz device was helping them recover slowly. Some have said that dialysis treatment that took them 4 hours had been reduced to 3 hours after using the blower and energized water. The main reason being, the viscosity of the blood has been reduced, and waste has been cleared out by the body. Some people have also shared that after using the blower, their weekly dialysis visits have been reduced from 3 to 2 times, not to mention their reduced creatinine levels. You need to blow on your kidneys and drink the energized water to be on the road to recovery from kidney problems. Usually, people with kidney problems will be advised by their doctor to drink less water due to the water retention problem. If you are advised to drink only 500 milliliters of water, then follow the advice and drink this amount, but replace it with the energized water. Slowly, as the energized water flushes out the water retention and toxins from the body, you will be able to increase your water intake. How to blow the iTeraCare terahertz device. Look at the chart. For a healthy person to become healthier, start by blowing on the chakra points, lymph nodes, and the meridian points. By doing this, you will complete blowing the whole body, and this in turn will activate the body field, waste removal system, and all the connected organs. If you have health problems, then you can look at this chart for the specific locations of the problem areas to blow. As the chart shows, it is good to start the iTeraCare therapy with the palms of the hands and the soles of the feet. Alternatively, some people are comfortable blowing on specific body organs, as shown on the chart. Ultimately, the choice is yours to choose whether you want a fast or gradual recovery. Finally, some good news to share. Many naturopathic doctors have informed that they are using the iTeraCare terahertz therapy in their practice, and found that their treatments are working better and faster with their patients. Wow! It looks like the iTeraCare blower is here to stay, for all to enjoy good health, the terahertz way.